Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the beautiful code editor for your Django application. So I highly recommend the Visual Studio Code. So you can download the Visual Studio Code by going into your browser and here just write the Visual Studio Code and go to that specific link. This link is mentioned in video description as well. So whatever operating system you have, I am using the Windows. So click on your relevant section of your Windows, and here after some second here you can see that the downloading process is started. After the downloading process will complete, then just install it. Okay, after installation of the project of Visual Studio Code, okay, when you open this type of environment will be open. Okay, so I have already in the previous video, so basically I have built a basic Django application, and when you build the Django application, okay, open that inside this one. So in this video I will show you some necessities extension you need to download in the Visual Studio Code to work with the Python. So for this, on the left side, click on this extension tab and here write the Python and install this Python. I have already installed this. Okay, so install this. The other library you need to required to work with the Django, here write the Django. Okay, and here the first one, that is Django, click to install this too. Okay, after some second it will install. And another thing is, you if I write the Django template something like here, if we search Django, and here you can see that this Django template, click on this and also install the Django templates as well. Here you can see that it's showing you to about its use and something like. So in this video, so this is how you can basically install the Visual Studio Code and the necessaries extension that required for your Django application. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. If you have any question, you can ask your question in just commenting in the video comments, or a question link is mentioned on video description. Just go on that and you can ask your question. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.